Want to report a scam on Opay app but you don't know how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. The first thing you do is open up the app. Then you tap on the main icon at the bottom right corner over here. Tap on the security center option. And once you do that, you have a lot of options here. Then you tap on report scam. Give it a few seconds to open up, and here you have a form that you need to fill out in order to report the scam accurately. So first of all, you choose the type of report. If it is internet fraud, for example, I choose internet fraud. You confirm. Then the next question will pop up. Do you make payment through Opay? If you did, let's say you did, you say there. Yes, you click on the first option, which is their Opay expenditure. You confirm. Then you select the authorized transaction. These are the transactions we open up here, and then you choose the one that was the transaction which you were scammed on. After doing that, you click on confirm, and once you've done that, the next question will pop up, and the next and the next. Make sure you fill out this report accurately to the very end, and once you've done that, your report will be submitted. That is all it takes to report scam on Opay app. If you found this video helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. Thanks for watching.